of classes. Today I will teach you linear equations, exercise 15b. In my previous video, I taught you question number 1 to 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10. In an examination, a student scores 4 marks for every correct answer and loses 1 mark for every incorrect answer. If he attempts all 75 questions and secures 125 marks, what are the number of questions he attempt correctly? Total questions he attempt equal to 75. Let he attempt correct questions equal to bx. Then he did incorrect equal to 75 minus x. Okay, now total he scores, he got 125 marks. Okay, and a student scores 4 marks for every correct answer, and losses 1 mark for every incorrect answer. So according question 4 marks he is getting for correct answer and he loses 1 mark for incorrect question, minus 1 into he losses, so we'll do here minus 75 minus x. Finally he get 125 marks. Okay dear students, now 4x minus, now we'll open the bracket, 75 plus x equal to 125. Now 4x plus 1x, 5x equal to 125 plus 75, 5x equal to 200. Then x equal to 200 upon 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. So he attempt correctly question 40. Okay dear students, question number 13. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2:3, and after 4 years, it becomes 5:7. Find their present ages. 4 years ago, the ratio of their ages, the ages of A and B was 2:3. Let their ages before 4 years were 2x years and 3x years respectively. So dear student, what is the meaning of question? So present ages, their present ages are, their present ages are, means age of A equal to 2x plus 4 age of b equal to 3x plus 4. Now according question, what is according question? After 4 years, after 4 years, ratio of their ages becomes 5:7, means 2x plus 4 upon 3x plus 4. Again you add 4. Why? Because this is present age. Present ages. And now after 4 years, the ratio of their ages is equal to 5:7. Now 2x plus 8 upon 3x plus 8 equal to 5 upon 7. Then 7 into multiply. Do cross multiplication. 5 into 3x plus 8 equal to 7 into 2x plus 8. It is 15x plus 40 equal to 14x plus 7 is 56. Now 15x minus 14x equal to 56 minus 40. X equal to 16. Okay, present age of A. Present age of A equal to 2x plus 4. It is present age. Now at the place of x you put 16 plus 4, then 32 plus 4 equal to 36 years. Present age of B. Present age of B equal to 3x plus 4. 3 into 16 plus 4, 48 plus 4 equal to 52 years. Okay, dear students, this is the answer. Now question number 15. Two cars A and B leave Mumbai at the same time, traveling in opposite directions. If the average speed of a car A is 8 km per hour more than that of B, and they are 300 apart at the end of 6 years, what is the average speed of a car? A. Let the speed of car D be x km per hour and the speed of car A equal to x plus 8 km per hour. Why? Because speed of car A is 8 more than speed of car B. Okay. Then they are going in opposite direction. Cars are moving in opposite directions. So their relative speed will be added. Both speed will be added when they are moving in opposite direction. X plus 8 means 2x plus 8 kilometer. Distance between them, distance equal to 300 kilometer between them. Then time equal to, dear student, apply the formula. Time equal to distance upon speed. Distance, time equal to 6 and distance 300 and 2x plus 8. Do cross multiplication. We can write 6 upon 1. So 6 into 2x plus 8 equal to 300 into 1. 2x plus 8 equal to 6 and 300 upon 6. 6 5s are 30. then 2x plus 8 equal to 50. 2x equal to 50 minus 8, then 2x equal to 42. X equal to 42 upon 2, 2 2 za 2 1 za 21. Then speed of A, dear student, speed of A equal to, we have to find the speed of car A. Speed of car A equal to x plus 8 means 21 plus 8 equal to 29 kilometer per hour. Okay dear student, this is the answer.